Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel where we make English learning fun and interesting. In this video, we are going to explore one of the most important and confusing topics in English, stative verbs. You probably learned these verbs like, love, know, understand, wish, and we know that stative verbs are not very typical for continuous tense. Moreover, many students for whom English is not their native language were taught this rule at school, like never use stative verbs with continuous tense. Alright, but then it comes to real English, it turns out that some of these verbs actually exist in continuous forms. And this confuses students a lot. So here's the twist, sometimes they really do. And today I'm going to show you exactly when and why this happens. Let's start. Let's remember the difference between stative verbs and active verbs. Active verbs, these are verbs that describe actions, events, or process, and they are very dynamic by its nature. They show movement and they show change over time, and in most situations they are physically visible. For example, drink, laugh, cook, dance, shout, write. All of them show an action. Unlike stative verbs describes states rather than actions. They refer to things like feelings, thoughts, senses, relationships. For example, when we want to express our feelings and emotions, we normally use following verbs: love, like, hate, enjoy, prefer, dislike, want, need. Thinking and opinion: know, believe, think, understand, remember, forget, agree, mean. When we talk about our senses: see, hear, smell, taste, feel. Possessions: have, own, belong. And states: be, seem, appear. These verbs are typically not used in continuous tense because they don't describe actions that happen over time. Instead, they represent something static or constant. Let's compare two examples. I am running to the store. To run, it's an active verb, an ongoing action. And I know where the store is. To know, it's a state. It's not an action. Why some of these verbs can appear in continuous tense? Actually, there are three main reasons why this can happen. Reason number one: temporary or immediate situations. Example: I am loving this movie. It means you are enjoying it right now, in this specific moment, and you like it. To express intensity or emotion. Example: I'm really loving my new job. It adds emphasis and excitement to your speech. Reason number three: shift in meaning. Some active verbs can change meaning when they are used in continuous. For example, I think you are right. It's an opinion. But if you say, I'm thinking about moving to New York, it's a mental process or consideration. It means you are thinking about it right now and you haven't decided yet. You are in the process of making the decision. Of course, not all of the stative verbs can appear in continuous tense. And to make your learning easier, let's simply highlight the verbs that can appear in continuous tense. Here is the list of the verbs that you can encounter in continuous tense. Think, have, see, be, taste, love, and hate. Let's compare the following examples. Simple form. I think he is a good teacher. It means I have an opinion. In continuous, we say I'm thinking about changing my job. It means I'm in the process of making the decision. Should I change my job or no? Have. Simple form. She has a car. It means she owns a car. Here, have means possession. In continuous form, we say like this. She's having lunch right now. It means she's eating lunch right now. Here, have means to eat something, so she's in the process of eating. To see. Simple form. I see the car parked outside. It means I see the car that is parked outside. Here, see means physical perception. It's a sense. Continuous. I am seeing a doctor this afternoon. It means I have an appointment with the doctor this afternoon. Here, see means to meet or to be seen. To be. Simple form. She is a doctor. Literally means she is a doctor. Here, be is used to express a state or profession of someone. Continuous form. She is being very helpful today. It means she is acting very helpful today. Here, to be verb refers to temporary behavior or state. Taste. Simple. The soup tastes delicious. This means the soup has a delicious taste. Here, taste describes a permanent characteristic. Continuous form. I am tasting the soup to check if it's salty enough. This means I'm trying the soup to see if it is salty enough. Here, taste refers to an action or process. Love. Simple form. I love chocolate. This literally means I love chocolate. Here, love describes a constant feeling. Continuous. I am loving this book. I really like this book right now. Here, love is used to express strong emotion. This is more common in informal speech. Hate. Simple. I hate waking up early. Here, hate expresses a constant feeling. Continuous. She is hating the new job. It means she dislikes her new job right now. Here, hate refers to a temporary state, for example, in the current moment. Alright guys, we know that practice makes perfect, so now I suggest you to practice a little bit and complete the following exercises to fine-tune your ability to choose between continuous and simple with stative verbs. Let's go! What do you need to do is to fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs in parentheses. You have to choose between simple or continuous. Well, I hope you found this video helpful and educational. If yes, please like, share and subscribe. And hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And see you in the next videos. Bye!